Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to insert SIM cards in Vivo V25 Pro smartphone. Before we start the video, I request you to subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. In the Vivo V25 Pro smartphone, the SIM tray is located at the bottom. We need to insert the SIM ejector tool onto this hole. Now we need to take out the SIM tray. So we need to remove the dummy SIM. So this one is a SIM 1 tray and this one is a SIM 2 tray. We need to insert two SIM cards. Now we insert SIM card, the first SIM card. Then I insert second SIM card. After that I insert this setup into the phone.